Good morning, students. In today's class, we will start new chapter 7, Logo Commands. In your previous class, you have already learnt about logo commands. So, in this chapter, I will explain you some another commands of logo. So, what is a logo? Open your book, page number 53. Logo is a simple computer language for kids. We can draw figures, type text and do calculations in it. So to perform any action, logo uses a triangular shape. It is called turtle that moves on the computer screen. So it is just like your pen. So we use commands to move a turtle around the screen and can draw different figures. So these commands are known as primitives. Now there is one fact file for you. Logo was designed by Professor Samuel Papert and Wally Figueres. Logo stands for Logic Oriented and Graphic Oriented. The full form of logo is Logic Oriented and Graphic Oriented. Now next, how can you start logo on your computer? Firstly, you have to install your logo from internet on your computer or laptop. After that, click on Start button, All Programs. Then in the list, you can see Microsoft Windows logo and click on it. Now this is the logo screen. Opening screen of MS logo is displayed like this. So the MS logo screen is divided into two sections. You can see this is the main screen and commander window. So commander window is further divided into the recall list box and the command input box. So look at the given MS logo screen and its various buttons also. This is the graphic screen, place to draw pictures, and this is the commander window. This is the recall list box for records all the executed commands, and it is also displaying some messages. And this halt button stop logo from processing further, and this is the pause button, stop the program execution temporary, and this is the status button, display the status of current setting, and this is the reset button for logo output screen, and this is the execute command for running a logo commands. With this execute button, we can run all the command that we type in this input box. Okay, this is the command input box where commands are typed. Now to exit the logo, how can we exit from the logo? Type BYE command in the command input box and click on execute button. So with BYE command, we can exit from the logo window. So now let us recall, name the screen where you draw pictures. It is main screen. And let's discuss about halt button and pause button. I have already discussed. Now next, recalling elementary logo commands. So some logo command that we have already done in previous class. So I will recall you and revise all the commands. So you have already learned few primitives. So let's review them quickly. First, FD, full form is forward command. It is used for move the turtle forward by a given number of steps. For example, the syntax of FD command is, first we have to type FD, then number of steps with space, and then after that we can press the enter key, or either we can click on the execute button for running this command. In the command input box, we have to type the syntax. Next command is BK for backward. BK primitive, move the turtle backward by a given number of steps. So for this, type BK and number of steps in the command input box. Next command is LT for left. LT primitive, turn the head of the turtle towards the left side. So for example, we can write like this: LT90, turn the head of the turtle to 90 degree angle. Next command is RT. Full form of RT is write. So RT primitive, turn the head of the turtle towards the right side. And syntax is RT45 will turn the head of the turtle 45 degree towards the right. Next command is home command. The home command bring the turtle to the center of the screen. We can type like this, home, then press enter key. Next command is HT, means hide turtle. So HT primitive order the turtle to disappear from the screen. We can write like this, HT, then press enter. It will hide the turtle. Next command is ST, show turtle. ST primitive order the turtle to reappear on the screen. After HT we can type ST for reappearing for the turtle. ST and HT, show turtle and hide turtle. Next command is CS for clear screen. CS primitive clear the entire picture that drawn in the graphical field. Okay, if we have already drawn some figure on the screen, so if we want to clear that drawing, so we can type CS primitive, and it also bring the turtle to the center of the screen. So we can type like this, CS, then press enter key. Next command is CT for clear text. CT primitives is used to clear the contents of the text screen. Okay, if we have written any content on the text screen, it will clear with CT command. CS for only drawing will disappear and CT for text. Now there is one quick what is the difference between CT and CS? I have told you about this. Next command is PU, pen up. This command order the turtle to lift the pen up from the screen and it move without drawing any line. So with pen up we can move the turtle without drawn any line on the screen. So we can write like this, PU, then press the enter key, it will do the pen up. After that, next command is PD, pen down. This primitive orders us to put the pen down on the screen. After PU, if you want to draw the line with turtle, so we will use this command PD, and after that it will put the pen down on the screen and we can start drawing. PD, and then we can press enter. So these are some basic commands that we have already done in the previous class. Okay, so you have to learn all these commands for practice. Now the next command is print command. So with the print command, what we can do, it's a very important primitive to display a letter, number, word or sentence on the screen. So we can display the word, sentence on the screen with this print command. It can also be used for doing calculations. It shows output in the recall list box. The short form of print is PR. It can take only one input at a time. So we can write like this, to display any number, type print in the input box, then press the space bar once and type the number. The number will be displayed as the output in the recall list box. Next is printing a letter. So with the print command, how can we print the letter? To display letter, type print command in this input command box and then leave one space and put quotation marks and then type a letter. So like K we have typed and it will display in the recall list box. The same method also used to print. We can print any word also. So let's know more. Pen down command is used only after pen up command for any further drawing. So there is no need to mention any number after pen up and pen down. Next is printing a sentence. So with print primitive we can print. How can we print sentence? It helps to. It is also helps us. Any message we can type with this command. So we have to type PR, then press the space bar key, type the text in the bracket or press enter key. So you can also display any message using underscore. This sign is called underscore in between the words and enclosing the sentence in double quotes. So with this we can type any message or sentence on the recall list box. So you can download the logo software free of cost from the website www.softronic.com. From this website you can easily download the logo on your computer. Now next command is print first. So what is the use of print first? This primitive is used to display the first character of a word or the first word of the sentence given in square bracket. So we can write like that: display the first character of a word, type print, then first, give space and put the quotation mark and type the word. Okay, so if we are printing any text, so we have to enclose that text in the quotation mark. There is another fact file. Last primitive is used to display the last character of the word and last word of the sentence. So okay children, we have done page number 53, 54 and 55. So next topic, how can we do calculations in logo? This topic we will do in the next class. So first you have to install logo on your computer and do practice all the previous command that we have already done in the previous class also, and I have already explained you. Okay, and learn all the command in syntax also. So what is the right syntax you have to learn in the logo. So now this is all about for the today's class. Now I will give you homework for today.